Hi, my name is Michael Buchanan. I'm a biology and psychology double major from Aberdeen, South Dakota, and I'm a junior. So freshman year I was taking a upper level biology class, and I was sitting there learning about neurotransmitters and all these different organ systems, and I thought to myself, how in the world do I apply this? Because learning as a freshman and 2 years, am I going to remember it? Well, I ended up doing research in neurobiology and neurochemistry, and all the things I learned about ended up being talked about on a daily basis, and it just connected it for me. When I was trying to figure out how to get involved in research, all I knew was I didn't want to go home for the summer after my freshman year. So what I decided to do was just ask my friends that I knew that did research, ask professors, and I ended up getting brought back around full circle to the professor I had taken that first upper level class with. And he had known my grades from class. I told him I was really interested in what we had learned about, and so he just kind of offered me a job for the summer. So I do research in neurobiology and neurochemistry, and that sounds really intimidating, but practically what it is just measuring neurotransmitter levels, so like stress responses, whether or not you're feeling anxious, and then just running them through these giant machines that they have in the labs that pretty much tell you the levels. So I've done work in flies and rats, both of which, same kind of research. It's really cool the things you can learn from those animals that you don't expect until you do the research. Well, one thing I have learned is that taking the brain out of a fly is possible, although extremely difficult. The things you learn in the lab are what you want to make of it. I've spent 2 summers in the lab now and done everything from running machines to slicing brains to doing surgeries. So you can learn a lot of things. The cool thing is learning essentially that you can do those things. As a freshman, sophomore in college, you can do things that actual researchers are doing.